charge controller, wires, tools. Let's put some solar panels on the trailer. Check it out, you guys. On this one, we're going to install those, and I'm going to show you how I got it all set up, all the particulars and all the details. So anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Let's get into this solar panel install. All right, you guys, it's solar time. There's one. There's two. And let's see, where's my charge controller? Hold on. Charge controller, wires, tools. Let's put some solar panels on the trailer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this charge controller. I'm going to get it installed right up there. A couple of screws on each side. Good to go. Charge controller installed. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my battery wires and I'm going to go red to positive, black to negative, and then I'm going to run them up to the charge controller. Red's positive, black's negative. If you didn't know that already, I feel for you. So this is the lead that's going to go straight to the battery. The battery's in the front, right? So we're going to make sure that that's nice and tight there. That's got to come up out of the box, and that one's got to come down out of the box. Those are covered. Okay, so with that keeper there, I'm going to bring these around, and I'm going to put another one of those little keepers right there, and then this will go up into the charge controller. Oh, my goodness. All right, wires are nice and tight. All right, for this next step, we're going to use the step bit. And plan is to drill a hole right here. I've got a rubber grommet that's going to go in there, and the wires are going to come through that. That'll do. Rubber grommet in the hole. Oh, you guys, like a glove. All right, now for the next step. Hey, how's that for access to the roof? All right, so what I've got here is some 5/16 self-tappers. See that? They'll go down through the roof, and then once I get everything in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to caulk them so that they seal in the roof. I don't have any water issues, I hope. Okay, so my next step, I'm going to go ahead and line these up so they're centered. All right, I'm going to mark the center of that, and I'm going to mark the center of this. 38, so 19 is going to be in the center. So I got that center point marked and that center point marked, and I want them on the back. Line that up there, line this up. the first one. Now I'm going to line this up back here on the bottom side. So that's 3 inches from the end, 3 inches from the end, and go. All right, first one's lined up, screwed in. Next one. So you guys, these solar panels came from Harbor Freight about 6 or 8 years ago. It was a set of 3 that was 200 watts, and I had them on my regular camp trailer for a while. One of them broke, and I'm selling the camp trailer. So we're repurposing the system. But, you guys, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. It's not rocket science. Sweet! Alright, solar panels are installed on the roof, and I've got another one of these little keepers. We're gonna line these wires up. Nice and straight. Those wires won't flop around. So now what I can do is I can tip this thing back up. I got to trim these back, run them inside through the little grommet. We're good to go. Give myself plenty of extra cordage there to go inside. Feed one through. Feed the next one through. And then the rest of the work is going to be done on the inside. Alright, you guys, on my wiring diagram, there is a wire here with ridges and a wire here that's smooth. On the wiring diagram, it tells me that the line with the ridges is the positive. So I'm going to connect the positive and positive together on those 2 lines, and then I'm going to run them up there, and let's do it. Alright, so there it is, you guys. Don't get too OCD on me, but wires are tied down. They're nice and tight. Everything's in place. The battery is currently reading 12.2 volts. I switched this over. Push that button. Of course, it's cloudy and the sun's gone behind the mountain. That tells me when the amps are coming in. That tells me that this switch over here is for lights. Not hooking any lights to it, so 12.2 right down there, 12.2 up on top. That's it, you guys. Solar panel install is complete. So, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and hopefully in the next day or 2 we're going to get this thing out and go for another camping trip. I like it. Thanks, you guys. We're out of here for this time.